Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to do the reading practice. It is on page number 26. The stress is on the reading skill. Reading makes us wise. It is a very interesting material that is given for reading. Read it again and again. I hope you will enjoy this piece of writing. There are some difficult words also. Try to find out the meanings of these words from the context. Otherwise, you can use dictionary. So let us start from paragraph number 1. The smallest boy with the biggest dreams. Devastated and lonely, Liu was sitting in a dark room since the 2 hours while his father was patiently waiting for him in the lounge outside. They had just come back from the hospital where the doctor broke the news that the boy suffered from a growth hormone deficiency. This meant that he was physically unable to grow unless he received special treatment, which would span 3 years and cost $1,500 per month. It was an unaffordable cost of treatment for this modest working class family. Unable to cover such a costly treatment, his father was left with no choice but to request Dew's Football Club to bear with these enormous medical charges. His club would hand over only a small amount to his embarrassed father and could not do much to help him bear the expenses of his medical treatment. This was paragraph number 1. Now we come to paragraph number 2. Liu was born on June 24, 1987, in the warm city of Rosario, Argentina. He was the third child in the tight knit, hard-working family who fervently loved football. His two older brothers and cousins would constantly go out to play, and as soon as he was able, Liu tagged along. But the rest of the boys were much older than Liu and were hesitant to let him join in. His grandmother, who always went with him, insisted they allow him to play too. After watching Liu take his first football steps, she later convinced Liu's mother to buy him his first pair of flats. At 4 years old, Liu joined the Grandola local club, and soon football became as important for him as the air he breathed. He practiced day in and day out, skipping outing with his friends to train at home before a game. The sport made him inexplicably happy and motivated, and he began to dream of becoming a professional footballer. But after his medical report, this dream seemed impossible, with no way to meet the expenses of his treatment. But then it all happened. Now come to paragraph number 3. Stories of a 13-year-old boy who had similar talent to legendary Argentinian footballer Diego Maradona had reached the ears of FC Barcelona's technical director Charles Drax. Intrigued, he sent an offer to the Lewis family, proposing trial where he could see the boy's famed skills for himself. If he passed, the club would cover his medical bills, but on the condition that Liu moves to Spain. Now, paragraph number 4. While Liu didn't want to leave his life in Rosario, behind his dream of becoming a professional footballer player was too important. So in September 2000, Liu and his family uprooted their lives and flew across the Atlantic to Barcelona. The family stayed in a hotel while Liu presented himself to the prestigious FC Barcelona youth team. He was given his uniform and went to the changing room where he didn't speak a word to his new teammates. They all looked at him in disbelief of how small he was, but after he spent 2 minutes on the pitch, They were in disbelief of how good he was. Coach Charles was so impressed that he offered Liu a contract on the only thing he had at hand, a napkin. Liu signed it, opening the door to the life he had always dreamt of. Today, the world knows Liu as Lionel Messi. The boy who was once too small to play with his cousins is now the winner of 5 golden balls, 3 European golden shoes, and is one of the top goal scorers in the world. This was all about Messi. Very interesting information about a great footballer of the world. Now read it again and again. Try to find out the meanings of the difficult word like tight knit, fervently, devastated, clads, inexplicable, prestigious. Try to find out the meanings of these words from the dictionary, or you can use internet for this purpose also. Then come on the next page. It's page number 28. Different tasks are given over here. First of all, you have to find out some information about Lionel Messi. You can use internet for this purpose, and a fact file can be prepared like this, that is given in your book. Born in and at means you have to write the period, the time when he was born, and the city where he was born. First professional appearance, when he first appeared, first club, first title, best records. You can find all this information by the help of internet, and it will be a very interesting exercise for you. Can you come up with a similar story of someone who lived to fulfill his or her dreams? Write a brief account of his or her life. Yes, in this activity you can write about any person you like. It may be some footballer, it may be some player, or a person from any other walk of life. For example, some politician, or a doctor, or an engineer, the people who have done great things in their life in spite of many difficulties. You have to write just 4 or 5 lines about it. This is also your task. Then we come to the language corner. In language corner, we have the sentence. You know, sentence is the basic when you want to write something. A sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself and conveys a thought. A sentence typically contains a subject and predicate, consisting of a main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. The sentence can take different forms, and these are: it may be a statement to convey a piece of information, or it may be a question when you want some information to find about something. It may be a command to tell someone to do something, or it may be an exclamation to express feelings. So these are all the types of sentences. It may be statement, question, command, exclamation. All these are the types of sentences. Examples of sentences that is given: to achieve your target, you shall have to work hard. This is a statement. Now space is given over here. You have to write your own statement also over there. Next is, have you drunk enough water today? It's a question. And in the space, you can write your own question also. Don't waste your time in watching TV every night. It's a command. Similarly, you can write your own command. For example, don't spit on the floor. Don't open the door. It is also a command. Wow, what an amazing goal. It is an exclamation. Similarly, you can write your own sentence of exclamation. So this is your task, that you have to write the types of sentences. Every type of sentence you have to write one sentence. This is your task. That is also given in the book. Then we come to the next thing, that is subject and predicate. Now what is a subject and what is a predicate? The subject of a sentence consists of naming words, means the nouns obviously, and the predicate is concerned with doing or being. The main word in the subject is a noun, and the main word is in the predicate is verb. Now this line is very important. In subject we have the noun, and in the predicate we have the verb, as is given in the example. The happy boy, this is the subject, and showed his trophy to the audience, this is a predicate. Now a task is also given over here. Add suitable predicates to the following subjects to make meaningful sentences. We, this is the subject that is given. You can complete it in any way. For example, we are living in a crowded city. Similarly, the be, that man who is the coach. This is the subject because noun is there. Is a hardworking person. The man who is the coach is a hardworking person. You can complete it like that. That will be the predicate. An engine, this is the subject. You can complete it in any way. For example, an engine cannot work without oil. Then come to the D. The women with the glasses, this is the subject, is entering in the ground. You can complete it like that. You can complete it in your own way. I'm just giving you the examples. The woman with the glasses is entering in the ground. The dog without a tail, this is also the subject. You can complete it in either way. The dog without a tail is running in the street. The dog without a tail is running in the street. So you can do the practice like that. You can add your own predicates also. This is just a practice. Then we come to the next. This is also a 1-minute job. So it's a 1-minute job. In the blue box, there are certain words that are given. All these are the subjects. The old dog, the huge boxes, a short lady, my big brother, all the kids, one of us, sick people, those candies, the grey clouds, all these are the subjects. And in the red boxes, there are predicates. For example, are tall, eats a lot, are squeaky, are closed, went home, smells bad, were sleeping, are empty, are very fruity. You can make your own sentences like that. For example, all the kids are very squeaky. The sick people were sleeping. The candies were very fruity. One of us smells bad. The huge boxes are closed. A short lady eats a lot. My brother went home. The grey clouds are empty. The old dog went home. Similarly, you can make so many sentences like that. These are just examples. This is just an exercise that how to make the sentences. So, usually in a sentence, we have a subject as well as a predicate. This thing is given over there. So, you have to do the practice of the subjects as well as predicate. That is given in your book. You have to do a lot of practice of that. I think that's enough for today. Thank you very much.